Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says find the image of the plane along the in the plane mirror this. So, we have to find out the image of the plane with respect to plane. So, suppose that this is your plane mirror. This is plane 2. Okay. This is your first plane, plane 1. And you need to find out image of the plane 1 with respect to plane 2. Okay, so this is your image. The result is P3. Now listen these things carefully. You know that I have suggested you guys, whenever you are handling the image of the plane with respect to plane or the equation of plane passing through intersection of planes, these questions belongs to family of planes category. Okay, so plane 3 is a plane passing through intersection of plane 1 and plane 2. Okay, so this thing you have to manipulate. So how will you write down equation of plane 3? So plane 3 will look like plane 1 plus lambda times plane 3. So there will be infinite number of planes. Sorry, plane 2. There will be infinite number of planes based on the values of lambda, but for specific value of lambda. Okay, for specific value of lambda, this will represent equation of image. Okay, so we need to find out who is lambda. So how we will find out? Try to check out this thing. You know that while finding image, we guys can find out the image of the point along the plane. We cannot find out the image of the plane with respect to plane, but we can find out the image of the point on the plane, correct? So suppose that we have considered this point. So assume a point A on the plane 1. So you have to find out a point on the plane 1. So how will you imagine? Just take something 0. You can take any point. Okay, so put x as 0, y as 0, z will become 2. Okay, and always take two things 0 because it will make your equation easy. Okay, and much more convenient because you need to solve little bit. Now find out the image of A along P2 and it will 100% lie on P3, the AI. So you have to find out image of A. So how we will find out image of a point with respect to plane? So it is x minus x1 by A. You have to consider this plane. So A is 1. Then y minus y1 by B equals z minus z1 by C equals minus. We are talking to image, so minus 2 times. Now we need to satisfy the point. So 0, again 0, then minus 2, minus 3, and then a square plus b square plus c square. So a square is 1, b square is 4, c square is 1. So this thing is 5 minus 10. Minus 5 minus 10 is 10. 10 by 6. So 5 by 3. Okay. So x coordinate will become what? 5 by 3. Y coordinate will become 10 by 3. And z coordinate will become 2 minus 5 by 3. So it will become 1 by 3. So you got your image 5 by 3, 10 by 3 and 1 by 3. So this is your image and this will help you to find out the value of lambda. How we will do that? You will satisfy this point on the plane this. Okay. So first write down this equation. So this will become what? Write down P1 plus lambda P2. So we will multiply lambda with this equation and we will add it with the plane one. So it is 2 plus lambda x. I have clubbed x. Then minus 1 plus 2 lambda y plus 1 minus lambda z plus minus 2 minus 3 lambda equals to 0. So I have multiplied the plane 2 with lambda and added with plane 1. Okay. Now let's simplify things. You know that the value, we need to find out the value of lambda. So first substitute x, y and z. So let's substitute. So it is 5 by 3. So it is 10 plus 5 lambda by 3 plus, it will become 20 lambda minus 10 by 3. It will become 1 minus lambda by 3. It will become plus, I'll multiply and divide by 3. Okay, so minus 6 minus 9 lambda by 3. Now I will multiply both sides by 3, so we can get rid of this thing. Okay, now for lambda we will simplify things. So how we will find out the value of lambda? So 5, 25, 25 and 10. So we got 15 lambda. Okay, so we got 15 lambda. Now play with numbers. So this thing gone. So it is 1, that is minus 6. So minus 5. So minus 5 that side, 5. So 3. So lambda becomes 1 by 3. So this is your lambda. Now you got your equation value of lambda. Now you can update the equation. So required plane. This was also your plane, na? So you can substitute value of lambda over here. So it will become 1 by 3. So 6. So it is 7x by 3. Then plus 2 by 3 minus 1. So it is minus 1 by 3. Correct? Minus 1 by 3 y. Then 1 minus 1 by 3. So it is 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 z. And then we have 2 minus, minus 2 minus 3 by 3. So it is 6 and 9. So it is minus 9 by 3. Minus 9 by 3. Now you can multiply both sides by 3. So you can get rid of this situation and you will be left with your image of the plane. Please keep this thing in your mind that this way you have to find out the image of the plane with respect to the plane. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.